To cut acrylic, this is 1/4 inch thick. It's nice and strong for a 16-inch span. I've laid in a bow arc with a bow jig. Watch show number 2908 for details on that. But we didn't have time to do this. Let me show you. With a 1/4 inch blade, or 1/2 inch blade, excuse me, I'm just going to take away the line. And speed's important. If you go too fast, it kind of gets hot and it melts and it welds in on the cut. So you want a good steady speed. And this is a silicone steel blade. 1/2 inch, 4 TPI. They're my favorite. And that's all there is to cutting acrylic. Get the other one done, then we'll install the wall cabinet.